Has life pranked you and your dryer has stopped spinning? I'm not laughing. Are you? Seems to be working. Seems to have power. But doesn't spin. I hear something spinning, but that is not spinning. Alright. We're gonna need a Phillips. Take the top off, a couple 5/16 screws, take the front off. Let's do this. I was just thinking to myself, what a great day to work on that dryer. Probably should have power off this time or unplug it, but you know, not me. Good times. Okay. Okay. I pulled super hard and it popped up. You see that? Okay. Pull super hard again. Oh. Well, that side popped back down. This is fun. Wait. Okay. Wait. My goodness. My knee on it. Oh. Yeah. That's fun. That was a lot of fun. You gotta get that clip. Yeah. So basically it clips on and you just, once you pull it forward, it automatically pops up. This is kind of tricky. Let's do this again. Now it's on. Now. Alright, pull forward, it pops up. Oh. I pulled so hard I did cut myself. Good times. Here's the belt. It's loose. You know, something's wrong here. Oh, okay, I'm gonna pull this forward so I can lean it back. Alright, stay there, don't move. Okay. Alright, we got a 5/16 screw here and a 5/16 screw over here, and then the front right here, right here. The front will come off. 5/16. Unplug the door. Alright, now I believe we just lift. We just lift. There we go. Alright, let's take a look down here and see what's going on. Alright, let's see what's going on here. Okay, belt is loose. It looks like, oh, the tensioner wheel fell off. Well, what? Okay, that's nice. Well, that's nice. Why would that fall out? Oh my lord, let's get under here. Well, that's nice. It just fell off. Okay. Gotta figure out why and how that goes back on. Okay, hold on. Alright, let me see if I can hold that right there. Okay. As far as I can tell, it looks like it just sits right there and it's held in by tension. And then the belt goes through the hole. I might as well show it to you since it's, you gotta stick the belt through here. Oh, I see. I'm learning something here as I go. Look at the belt ripped right here. I see. Okay. Well, the belt has ripped. We're gonna put it back on anyways. But Oi, oi. Okay. You can see a piece of the belt is right here. Looks like, yeah. I need to order a belt. Okay. I am going to cut this little chunk off with a scissors. And hopefully this belt will last until I get a new one. Okay. That's what we're gonna do. Alright, what a mess. So I'm just gonna, there's a couple of these here and there. I cut them off. So that's 2 so far. Let's see if there's any more. I think we're looking good. I think that belt will last until, oh, here's one. The new one comes. Alright, we got another piece right here. Okay. I'll cut that off and it should be good. Little stragglers, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Little trim job. Most of the meat's still there. That's fine. Okay. I guess until the new belt comes, just don't load it up too much, you know? Don't put too much weight in there, and it should be fine for now. You know what I'm saying? Alright. Let's get this jalopy back together. Over here. Okay. Put the screws in on top, we should be pretty good here. Alright, alright. Like I said, you won't feel it too much until the new belt comes. Put it in. For now, we'll just put light loads, right? Right. Fixed. Alrighty then. There you go. Get her done. Come on, man.